Hello everyone, and welcome back to dev video number 6 for Nova Imperia. I'm Matt.
I'm Keith.
But this week we don't have a Shannon, I'm afraid, so you'll have to put up without her joyful tones. This week's going to be a pretty short video because we've all been lazy and playing Terraria. Yeah, gaming. But we've not achieved a lot. I believe you've been working on the login section of the game though, Keith?
That's right, I've been working on the profile manager. The hope is that the new profile manager will allow multiple users to play on the same computer, have their own set of saves per profile. In the future we hope to extend this so that each profile will be able to support a different set of mods and play in different galaxies from each other, both local and online.
Okay, and what does that look like on the screen then?
Well, the first thing you'll notice is we've got this nice new button called Profiles. Clicking that, we've got the Profile Manager. We can quickly see that I've got one profile set up. At the bottom, we can click, and we've got a new profile. This is currently all there is to creating a new profile. In the future, there will be additional settings that we can add as we progress with the game. Clicking Create adds a new profile in the default test galaxy. If I click Start, we go back to the standard old system manager that we're familiar with, and I can acquire new systems as we used to.
Oh hey, there's a new thing we've done. We've made the sectors match the galaxy picture again.
And if we go back and click Start again, it takes us into the current profile which it knows we're using. I can go into Profiles and click the other profile I had before, and we can see I've got different star systems in this one.
Excellent. Well, I've been working further inside the game. I've been attempting to make the planets look pretty. A couple of weeks ago we showed you what they looked like, and they were yellow just all over the place. We've had a bit of a poke around in the code, and we found some bugs, and we fixed those, and they didn't look any better. So I'm just rebuilding it now. I've made some progress. If you load up a system, Keith, we can see if we can find something that looks, well, not yellow.
Any of these planets take your fancy?
Yeah, let's have a look at that carbon world it got at the bottom of the screen there.
This one?
Yeah, that's got a good chance. Yes! Yellow! But this is showcasing one of the other features I've put in, and that is that we now have sun and shadow. This is a planet, and so it's spinning round, and as it does so, the sun moves over the surface. It gives you an idea of the texture of the planet's surface, as you can see the bumps and ripples as the sun goes past. As you can see the sun going round and round, you may also notice that over time the season changes as the shadow moves from the top to the bottom of the screen. A lot of work's gone into that, but you can't really tell. And you never know, by next time we might even have planets that don't look yellow. Do go and see if you can find one though. Oh hey, there we go. We found one with some pink lakes at least. It's not quite as yellow. Oh, there's so much more work to do.
Can we keep looking?
Yeah, go on. There's got to be some. Yellow with a black dot. Always! The black dot's new at least. Hey, that one's black. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. It's brown and yellow.
It's got some light spots and some reddy browny spots and some dark spots with the day-night cycle on top.
Well, I've already talked about what I'm doing. I'm still making the planets pretty. What about you, Keith? What are you doing next?
With the profile manager up and running, I can start looking at unique prices for each galaxy. This will allow me to fix the issue of the AI buying hundreds upon hundreds of ships.
Oh, that'll be good. So we're looking forward to AIs buying and selling stuff next time.
Hopefully.
Good.
Either that or them going bust, one of the two.
Well, without Shannon here, we don't have much artwork to show you, and there's no commit challenge this week either, I'm afraid. So I guess we're actually running to the end of this video. That just leaves us to remind you to like us and follow us on social media. Click these links. Oh, you know what else I've fixed?
What?
When you mouse over the credits score, it doesn't disappear anymore.